Frankie McDonald, my own TV station, live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Baltimore, Maryland's getting 20 plus centimeters of snow on Thursday, February the 13th, 2014. It's going to be a lot of snow in Baltimore, Maryland. It's going to start on Wednesday, February the 12th, 2014, during evening hours in Baltimore, Maryland. Then it's going to be heavy snow and some strong winds in Baltimore, Maryland, and the rest of Maryland as well. It's going to be a lot of snow in Baltimore, Maryland. It's going to be quite a bit of snow, blowing and drifting snow. Streets will be covered in snow in Baltimore, Maryland. Interstate 95 will also be snow covered as well. People in Baltimore, Maryland, be prepared. Have your winter boots ready, have your winter jackets ready, hats and gloves and scarf and ski pants is ready. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. Buy cases of Pepsi and buy cases of Coke. Do your grocery shopping. Don't wait till the last minute. Do it right now. If you're driving the car, take your time driving the car. Slow down so you don't get in a car accident in Baltimore, Maryland. On Thursday, February the 13th, 2014. Have your shovels ready. Have your snow plows ready. Have your snow blowers ready. Have your snow scoops ready. Have your salt trucks ready, because it's going to be a lot of snow. It's going to be a major snowstorm in Baltimore, Maryland, and the rest of Maryland as well. If anybody living in Baltimore, Maryland, be prepared for a major snowstorm. Take your time driving your car. Slow down so you don't get in a car accident in Baltimore, Maryland. On Wednesday evening into Thursday, February 13th, 2014. Best luck to you. People in Baltimore, Maryland, and the rest of Maryland, be prepared for a major snowstorm. Take care and stay safe. Don't get caught in a snowstorm. Be safe.